Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. In this video, we're looking at Prepositions PowerPoint lesson. Let's check it out. My first slide is always my rules slide, where we go over the rules and I advise the students if they follow the rules, we get to have a reward at the end of the class. In this class, we're looking at prepositions. It's about medium difficulty for middle graders. In primary and elementary school here in China. We start off with prepositions using Pokemon Go, so the Pokemon in the artificial reality environment. Generally students find it pretty funny, and this one I don't really get them to read the full sentences, but I will focus on in. So whenever we're repeating, we're just repeating the preposition. And also we're probably doing some TPR. So if we're saying under, I'll have the students go under the desk along with saying under and repeating under. And behind all of these prepositions are what I'm having them repeat, and I'm also doing TPR to actually get them to move about in the class per the prepositions. Then we're going to do a preposition song. So this song is actually in the style of Frere Jacques. And it's pretty easy, and it's got a dance that follows with it where you do all the different prepositions. It goes like this: in, on, under, in, on, under, in front of, behind, beside, beside, in front of. So it's got the theme of Frere Jacques, but it's using prepositions, and I'm also making hand gestures that match the prepositions as we're singing. It's a very easy song to remember and learn. Back from the song, we're going to do some comprehension checking questions. So here, there's a mouse that's on in different positions on the box or around the box, wherever, and they've got multiple choice here to choose what is the preposition that fits where the mouse is in relation to the box. And then we've got a game of, again, where the mouse is. So where is the mouse? But this time they don't have any visual prompts. There's no multiple choice, so they have to give me a full sentence without the actual visual prompt. So it's a little bit more difficult than the previous questions. And then we're going to watch a video on prepositions of place. We'll watch the video, we'll sing along, we'll do some movement, and then we'll come back to another game. This one is where is the hamster? And this one's just kind of like just a fun game, as the hamster's always running away from the kid, and the students really enjoy it. But after going back from that game, we're then going into one where it describes the situation. They have to choose based on the description. So they have to find the treasure. So I can read this out, or they can read it themselves. So go to the big rock beside the tree. So they have to decide which is the correct path based on the description.
Okay.
So in the barrel. So I'm going to be emphasizing all the prepositions.
Okay.
So we're just using a different variety of ways to go over the prepositions and how they would use them, be it how they use them or how it's been used elsewhere. And then we've got it finished off with a grid selection game. This one they have to say it's in the an object, so it's in the box, or it's on the chair. They get points for their team, or sometimes they get the bomb, which will lose points for their team. So you can finish the class here, or you can do stuff like Simon Says and have them move around in the class on their chair, under their chair, beside their desk, beside their friend, on the desk, whatever. And you can do that as a little game. That's pretty fun. And then you can set them into groups for them to do their own version as well. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Remember to check out the link below to download that PowerPoint lesson. Bye bye.